Corvette Coupe to check out. Unique, especially in classics. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. Just a little over 30,000 is all on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. As you can see, black ebony interior car. Also both tops, transparent top and the solid black top. Now, you notice headlight covers are smoke some, as are the side windows. So know your state and local laws as far as the darkness of the tint that you can have, the percentage. One other thing too is this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, it has like the flat black diagram on the hood, and there's also, if you can see it, there's the 3M or the clear protectant on the front, so you don't have a bunch of rock chips. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There's a picture of the window sticker in the rest of the still pictures on our website. So you'll be able to see exactly how this car was equipped. As you can see, it has the chrome wheels, and it has also had kind of a flat black or a black overlay on that. And that's like a vinyl wrap. You can see it also has a Z51 package by the rotors up front and in the rear. And then the other option was the dual roofs. Of course, the 6.0 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with the 6-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC, of course, AC blows cold. A few extras that will go with this is there's a fender protector, a copy of the window sticker and build sheet, duster, also a car cover in the trunk, in the cubby, fire extinguisher, and then that cup holder. Those will all be put back in the car and be shipped along with it. As you can see, there is a CB radio installed in the car, and you can see that in the still pictures. And with the removable antenna, if you can see it over there on the right side of the other top, it's your CB radio antenna. Nicely installed. It's a nice job. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see all that. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look down the driver's side. You can see the car's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's black, it's been driven. Yeah, there may be a small imperfection here or there, but overall you can see paint has a nice shine to it. Good reflection, and shows well. Let's check out this interior a little closer. Two LT package, excuse me, 3 LT package on the window sticker. So you have your 3 LT options, horsepower seats. You're also going to have your memory seating, Bose stereo system, windows, locks, mirrors, all power, bucket seats, nice shape, what you'd expect with this kind of miles on it, just your natural wear, the wrinkling of the hide. And the leather seats, heads-up display, driver's information center, and there's that 6-speed manual transmission, electronic climate control, dual climate control for that matter, heated seats. And let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Good sounding car also. Check out the exhaust on the underside pictures. There'll be underside pictures with those still pictures. 30,438 exact miles. Dash all looks good. Go ahead and slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice sounding exhaust. And let's slip up to the front. We'll pop the hood, check out the engine bay, wrap this video up. Give me 1 second, let's get it open. Get a look at the hood liner. You can see it has not been driven in inclement weather. Nice and clean hood liner. There it is, LS2, 6-liter. Good power plant. Once again, power steering, power brakes. AC's cold. Nice, clean, tidy engine compartment. No surprise. surprises on this one. Like I said, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette, just a touch over 30,000 miles, 3 LT package, both tops. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a nice black inside, black outside. 6-speed manual transmission. Let's see how she does. If our gauges are flickering at all, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car.
When I think of classic rock, I think of like...
The radio's working good. This is a really smooth running Corvette. Got an excellent exhaust sound. Grips the road as it should. But it's a smooth ride. This has the removable top. See-through top. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays nice and straight in the lane. Odometer is reading 30,440 miles. Here, I'll open the window for you and you can hear this exhaust sound a little bit after we go around the roundabout. Corners well. Corvette in excellent condition. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.